What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you, in my opinion, what is the easiest way to make money online in 2019. Yeah, this is a very easy way, and if you stay till the end of this video, I'm going to show you a simple trick you can use to start making money right now. But you're probably wondering, what is it? Is it something new? Is it something you've never heard of? You've probably seen it around. You've probably heard of it before, because it's not one of those things that's really uncommon. It's something a lot of people are promoting because it is so easy and you can pretty much make money every single time. Now, what is it? Well, it's called Builderall. See it right here, Builderall. You've probably heard of it. If you have, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. But what I want to show you today is why do I think Builderall is one of the easiest ways to make money online in 2019. You're probably asking yourself, it's hard. People don't want to pay money for something they don't need. Right. But what if they need it? Now, this is what I want to show you. Right here, this is the Builderall page. You can see the pricing right here. Now, if you want to become if you want to have your own Builderall business and you want to sell this exact business model, what I recommend is you go and get the Builderall business plan. It's $49.90 per month. But don't run out and get it right now, okay? Watch the rest of the video, because I'm going to show you how you sell this and make more than $50 every single month to pretty much pay for your business, plus you make profit, okay? Here's the cool thing. Right here, this main plan, this is the one that, it's not the best deal. This would be their best deal over here, but their digital marketing plan, the best part about this is, number one, it has a pixel perfect builder. It's a drag and drop software. You can click on stuff. Let me show you really quick, kind of how it works. So right here, I'm in the Builderall. It's a back office. You kind of do whatever you want here. But you click on builders. They have this drag and drop pixel perfect. The nice thing about this, they have all these templates already made. Okay, now you probably don't care about that. But the reason why I'm showing you this is because the people that you're going to sell this software to, they do care about that. They want a local business page, okay, maybe an accountant. I don't know if there's a template here, but we're going to see. Okay, top professionals, this express one, the funnel, something in Spanish, okay? You get the idea. So they have all these ones already created. All you got to do is come and edit. The nice thing about once you edit, you can grab like his picture and you can swap it with these two guys. You could change the text, you can change the color, you can change anything you want. It's drag and drop. Now, why is that important? It's important because for $29.90 you get that, plus you get unlimited professional email marketing software. The best part about both of these is, let's say you just want the pixel perfect, the drag and drop software, you're going to pay about $20 to $30 to get it somewhere else. Okay, $20 to $30. Let me pull up a calculator so you can kind of get the idea. Okay, we'll just say $25. Okay. Plus, how much does it cost for unlimited email marketing? Well, you can't get unlimited email marketing anywhere else, but let's say you get Aweber. Aweber is one of the bigger email marketing softwares out there. Their cheapest package is $19. You add that up, that's $44. So why would you pay $44 for those two things when you can save yourself $15 by getting it right here, right? It's just common sense, simple math. People want to save money. People are trying to be more frugal. And to be frugal, you got to save money. Well, why would I pay $15 more per month to have something that I can get right here, all in one, and it comes with all this stuff? Okay? It's that simple. That's the reason why I think this is one of the best businesses out there, especially in 2019, because you're helping people save money. You're making their life easier. But let me show you this, all right? So I already showed you the drag and drop software. But this is something that most people don't realize. How much can I really make with Builderall? Well, I'm going to show you how much you can make, realistically how much you can make, and I'm also going to show you how you go about doing it, exactly what I do, not only to promote this software, but how I promote another software as well. Now, I'm not going to lie to you and say Builderall is the best software out there. There's nothing greater. It is a good software. It comes at a reasonable price for $29, or for the business builder, $49. But is it the best software out there? No, it's not. In my opinion, the best software to get for drag and drop for building funnels is something called ClickFunnels. However, ClickFunnels is actually $97 per month compared to $30 to $29.90 for Builderall. So which one are you going to choose? Probably Builderall, right? Now, I like ClickFunnels because it's less glitchy. However, I run a bunch of traffic, free and paid. I'm paying thousands of dollars to run traffic to these funnels. So if you are not like I am, then why would you pay an extra $60 for something that you just don't need? If you're only trying to build a small business for your cat masseuse business, or you're a dog walker, or you're a florist, why would you pay more money for something that you just don't need yet? Okay, let me show you this. So how much can you realistically make? Let's just say, and I'm just going to say that you do all the sales in the first month. Okay, so all the sales in the first month. How many licenses can you sell in a year? We're just going to say 30. That is one per day in the first month. Is that realistic? Yes, it is. Is it going to be quite a bit of work? It could be. Okay, now how many of these will become an affiliate? So that means that they opted in for this. So that means you bought in here. It's $50 a month, and you can use all the software, plus you get to sell it as well. But you come in here, okay? So you're there. And how many of these people will actually, that you sign up underneath you, will be in here instead of here? Let's just say half of these people that you sign up are going to do Builderall Business, and the other half are going to do just the digital marketing plan. So how much money are you going to make? That's 15. And that, again, this is in 1 month. Okay, I don't want to do it over the life of the year because the numbers are going to be very skewed. Now, how many sales will each affiliate make? Let's just keep this number low. Let's say they're not really pushing it. They're going to do 3 sales each. So 15, so you got 45, all right? So total direct clients, you have 30. 45 are your second tier. Here's what you need to understand, all right, that most people don't realize. So on this page, I'll put a link to this page. You can go check it out. Okay, there'll be the first link. And if you want to go sign up, go sign up. Okay. And then if you need help, obviously if you sign up underneath me, I'm going to help you out. Send me an email. Send me an email at HomemadeEntrepreneur@gmail.com, and I'll help you out, help you get started, and show you, kind of walk you through the exact same plan I use for not only for Builderall, but for ClickFunnels as well. But you scroll all the way, and you can see what people have made. But I'm going to scroll all the way down here, show you something really cool that most people don't really understand, the value and the potential. But you make 30% commission on your direct sales, but you also make an additional 30% commissions on the sales from your Builderall business owners. So let's go back through this. So that means you make 30% off what these 15 people are selling here. Okay, so this is, in the first month you get paid 100% of all your commissions. Okay, and then every month after that you get 30%, plus you get 30% of whatever your Builderall business owners actually sell as well. So that means in the first month you're making $1,497. That is your commission. Okay, and every single month after, as long as you have these numbers right here, you will make $1,122.75 per month recurring. That means every single month you're going to make this amount. Now, the best part about Builderall is its price. One of the biggest concerns I get when I promote ClickFunnels to a local company is, why would I pay $100 a month when I can go get a WordPress site that can do almost the same thing, and it's going to cost me about 10 bucks. Now, why would I go and spend $80, $90 more for that exact same thing? The reason why I'm promoting Builderall, and I really like Builderall. Okay, I think there's a place for both Builderall and ClickFunnels and a WordPress site. However, the reason why I push Builderall is because it's affordable. It's affordable, it's easy to use. If you get into the back office and you have questions, there's people there to help you out. Not only that, they have videos that show you how to do everything. So once somebody signs up, you can go in and you can show them, okay, click on this page, it's going to take you here, here's the training, this is how you do it. Very simple. Now, if you want to learn how to do a WordPress site, you can go to WordPress and you can hope to find it. It's probably not going to happen. You might have to spend a couple hours in the forums, but you'll figure it out. Okay? With Builderall, you don't have to figure it out based on hours and hours of research. You figure it out based on clicking on the video that you need to watch. how to set up your autoresponder, how to, do your first drag and drop page. Very simple. How to do a webinar. Teaches you all that stuff. Now, you can, like I said, if you go and sign up underneath me, you can go and contact me. Go to HomemadeEntrepreneur@gmail.com and I'll help you out, all right? But for right now, I just want to give you kind of free advice on how to do this, all right? So one of the things you can do to sell a Builderall business account, or even sell Builderall, okay, any of these, is you go and find somebody that is, let's say they have a local business, but they don't have a website, okay? There's one. You go and find somebody that's promoting Beachbody, okay? Somebody there. You go and find somebody that has they're starting a daycare business, okay? And they need a website. Cool. There's somebody there. Then you go and find somebody that, they're just getting out of high school and they want to show people kind of their resume. They're going to start working online. All right, cool. Well, you probably need a website if you want to work online. Builderall is a great option for you. And then you go and find somebody that is promoting, Motor Club of America, MCA. Okay, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, there you go, 5. Okay, so all these are paying you money, right? Every single one. So the nice thing about this is with Builderall right here, okay, let's say every single one of these is buying this package right here. So what that means is on the very first month, and I can show you right here, we're going to go and delete that, we're going to delete that, and we're going to delete that. Okay, every single one is going to sign up for that $30 package. So it's showing us the Builderall business numbers, showing us these, but $30 times 5, it's $150, right? So in the first month, you make $150 by getting those people to sign up. Okay, every single month, and that is in month 1. Every single month after that, okay, every additional month, there's month 1, month 2, month 3, okay? Every single month after that, we'll pull up the calculator, simple math, okay? It's $8.97, something like that, but $29.90 times 30%, you make $8.97 per person that you have using the Builderall, the digital marketing platform, all right? So, times 5, every single month, $44.85. So we're going to write that down. We'll just write $45. Okay, that's month 1. Month 2, $45. Okay, month 3. Let's say month 3 you get one other person right here. Okay, so that's not the 150, but now you have them over here on month 3. What that means is you have $45 plus. Remember, we get the whole $29.90. Okay, so that'll be $74, and then after that it goes back to the $8.97 per month. So that would be what was that, 50, let's just say $54. Okay, it went up. Okay, that's the best part, is you do all the work in the beginning and you continue to make money for as long as these people are a customer. How great is that? So that's just one way to promote Builderall. Now there's a bunch of other options out there, and I want to give you guys a free, okay, you guys can go get it, you can go check it out, you've probably seen it before. This is a free way to learn how to do affiliate marketing, and specifically how to promote software as a service type business. This right here, it's the Affiliate Bootcamp. It's put on by ClickFunnels. You can see it down here. What you're going to learn here, and again, this will be the second link down in the description box below. I highly recommend go through this. It's a free affiliate marketing bootcamp. It's about 100 days long. However, then they send you, they open up like new courses, new information every single day. But the nice thing about this, okay, join the 100-day challenge for free. The reason why is because just one trial per day, give yourself a raise every single day. Because technically, if you give yourself, somebody opts into a trial every single day, and hopefully they stick on that trial, what they're saying is by the end of 100 days, you'd have 100 people that sign up. That would be about $3,800 in their software. However, what if you did the same thing right here with Builderall? Okay, if we look at the numbers, we did 100, okay, and let's say we did, how many workers affiliate? Let's say 25, and each one sells 3. Okay, if we did this, okay, if we did exactly what they're saying here. And again, you got to understand they're trying to help you promote their software of ClickFunnels. However, you can use kind of the same idea by going into Facebook pages, running ads, doing all that stuff. Here, you can do the exact same stuff with Builderall. And with Builderall, it's cheaper to get into. So more people you're going to opt into it. Now, if you were to do 100 licenses and 25 are affiliates and 3 sales, and that sticks to those numbers, that means you can make immediately almost $5,000, and every single month thereafter, you can make $2,619. Okay, that's the power of, first, 100% commissions in the first month, but also that's the power of 30% recurring commission, not only for your clients, but for the people that signed up underneath you and their sales as well. So that's why you're making so much money. But again, if you haven't gone through the affiliate bootcamp, go and do it, okay? Yes, it does take a little bit. There's a lot of stuff involved. You got to watch, a decent amount of videos. However, it's absolutely free. You don't got to pay anything, okay? You just got to join. That's it. So if it has ever been your dream to make a passive income, one of the things you got to do is you either got to put in the time or effort and the money. Now, most people have the time and the effort, but they don't have the money. What if I don't have the money? What do? Well, what you do is you go after a business that is going to pay you a recurring commission every single month. That's software, that's memberships, okay? I'm showing you 2 right now, Builderall and ClickFunnels. Yes, they're competing companies. However, you can make money on both. You're not signing an agreement saying that I will not promote this other company. I will not promote that company. You get to do whatever you want. You're an affiliate, okay? That's the best part of becoming an affiliate. That's the easiest way to make money in 2019. Become an affiliate for a product or service that's going to pay you a recurring commission. And if you can stand behind it, which I do stand behind Builderall, yes, it is a little bit glitchy here and there. However, and again, ClickFunnels is not like, top tier, the best in the world. There's improvements both can make. However, both of them are making improvements every single day. The nice thing about Builderall is you pay for something that is, maybe a little bit glitchy, okay? But it's still a great product, especially for somebody that's just getting started, that needs a website, needs a way to email their customers or email their potential leads. Yeah, why would you pay 3 times as much when you don't have to? That's one of the reasons why I highly recommend Builderall. So that, in my opinion, is one of the easiest businesses and easiest ways to make money online in 2019 is to promote something that people can use. Don't promote crap that nobody wants. Promote something somebody could actually use. Showed you exactly how to do it. Go watch some of my other videos, okay? Because I show you how to promote this exact business model, how to promote it to people on YouTube that don't have a website, that are trying to build leads, that have a network marketing company, something, and just need a way to make more money by collecting their leads. And Builderall does that. So, if you guys have any questions, let me know. You can ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video and you're going to try Builderall, or if you heard of it and have tried it and maybe liked it, click that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.